What is happening, everybody? This is Barry here, checking in this morning. We're gonna do some mountain biking. I'm up early. I gotta work later. I'm riding by myself. I'm gonna ride up Vail Mountain and come down some beautiful single track. It's spring. Everything is green and lush. The mountain's not open, so the trails are pristine right now, and this is gonna be a great morning ride. Thanks for tuning in to my channel. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell. I've been making new videos for you about once a week right now. All right, man, let's go. Here. I stopped for a minute, let that plow go by. We're now riding up on a perfectly smooth, packed climb, which is awesome. Thank you, plow driver. All right. Well, it's really nice up here on Vail Mountain this morning. We are still climbing. We're getting up there around 1,000 feet. Oh, finally. Little catch your breath section here. And back up. Okay, so we're gonna ride up about 2 more switchbacks, equivalent of about 400 vertical feet. I've been riding Hanks every morning, but today we're gonna go a little bit higher. Should be nice. So a little more climbing, and we will see you guys at the top. Whew. We made it. This is as far up as I wanted to climb this morning, and a little windy single track. I'll give you a little shot of that. We're just gonna catch our breath for a minute, drop our seat post, and rip this little single track. I'm gonna put you guys onto the old collarbone cam. Let's do this. Finally, some fun. That was really nice. That was the top part of the middle part of Big Mamba. Now we're gonna go over and get on this right here, Hank's Hideaway. This is kind of a longer cross-country-ish trail back down. It's still all downhill from now. Got to work all the rest of the day, but thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell if you like what you see out here in Colorado. This might be one of the bluest skies I've ever seen in the world, at least. I'm gonna finish up down here on Hanks. This is a pretty mellow downhill run back into where we started. Thanks for tuning into the channel. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell for the weekly videos I've been doing. All right, let's go. All right, I hope you liked that. That really was fun, and that is just an amazing way to start your day. I think everybody should start their day with a bike ride. Remember, go in the comments and check my Strava description if you want to see the actual ride. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like my channel, subscribe to my channel, like this video, hit the notification bell. That way you'll know when next week's video comes out. Awesome. See you next time.